Frankenmuth. There's the weight room, exercise, got a pop machine and water, or ice. I got washer dryer there, so you can do your laundry. I don't remember what the cost per drink was. A snack thing, not ice, but snacks. Across this, there's the the workout room, one of the hallways, on the first floor. Over here, the game room. Got some rooms here. This is still on the first floor, at one of the angles. Yeah, we were on the first floor. Thought we were on the third, but we're on the first. We'll be coming up to our room here in a moment, I believe. I have to check my little tag thing. So we'll walk through there. I'll, show you now in a minute. Here we are on the second floor. It's pretty much like the others. I think there's like 3 floors. Same floor style and all that. I wish I had left the audio on. Oh well. At least you're getting to see it. So exit right there. I'm going to turn around, go back. Now I know I did more video on this, but it's not showing up. Trying to find get back to the elevator, sorry, which is over that direction. I must have helped them with their stuff after I looked out the window. It was dark, so you can't really see much. And back. And here's my room tour. Nice king size bed. Got lights between an end table. It's got phone, a clock, and a decent sized closet with a luggage rack, hangers, iron and ironing board. And the light actually worked. Pretty nice. Almost like a residential size. Got a little couch over here with all of our stuff. Little desk. Got drawers, put your stuff in. Probably a 32 TV. 32-inch TV. Yeah. Okay, and there's the refrigerator and microwave and a coffee. And a little kitchen, a little safe. There's the bathroom. And there's the shower. Turn on the lights. Sorry for the mess. There's the shampoo and body wash. Yep. A safe little refrigerator, but it didn't keep the stuff really cold. At least it didn't when we were there. There's a couch, a desk, lamps. The air conditioning heat. And yeah. That's pretty much it. And there's the view at our room. Use those to pull the curtains open and closed. It's hard to do with one hand, but you get the drift. Thanks for watching.